revealing my new PC, and Onno was here. Come here, Onno.
Oh, yeah.
Come in here. This is my friend Onno. He's from Boxmeer, you said?
Yeah, Boxmeer.
Okay, Boxmeer. We're gonna unpack and we're gonna see what it is. I think this is the... Put it in. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh! Oh! Put it down.
Ja, even ik zou hem even omkeren en daar neerzetten. Maar hij moet zelf even.
Daarop?
Ja.
Alright.
Put it on there. 1, 2. Yeah.
You know, I'm old, you know. Oh yeah, Onno is older than me.
Yes.
Just found out.
I'm older.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh. Now, first closet. Look at this. Oh, very good. So, like this. Oh. There you go.
Oh. The accessories.
Accessories. Yeah, I don't know anything about this, you know. I'm done. So, look at this one. Yeah. What is it called? The Montec King 95 Pro.
Yeah.
What's the Pro thing? Why is it Pro?
I have no idea.
Okay. You know how to make it?
Probably because it has all the fans included. That's the Pro version. You can get one without all the fans.
Okay.
But then you have to buy them yourself again.
Okay. Well, let me show you. Let me show you. This is the Montec. Look at this. This plastic or no?
No, it's glass.
Glass? Oh, glass. It says glass. Here, tempered glass.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, the first bed. Yeah. So the second part we're gonna reveal is the motherboard. It's the how you can pronounce it? Aorus X870E Elite. So this is a nice one. What is it called, by the way? That one was Asus Elite, 279 euros. That's not the most expensive one. Now, how does this look? Oh, it's just protection. Then you can take just like this. Oops. Okay, what's this? All cables and stuff. No, you know what it is? No. Stickers?
Oh yeah, this is for the NVMe drive.
Okay. I don't have any clue what it is. It's a cable with something on
Just
it?
the Wi-Fi antenna.
Ah, the Wi-Fi. Ah, nice. And we have Wi-Fi. That's good.
This one is
And then we have to do this or something. It's not sponsored by Kinera, by the way. This is sponsored by Tony. King Tony. King Tony. Do you need this too? This?
Yeah,
no,
maybe.
not
Yeah,
this. And we have the advertising 3M sticker. Do we have to cut this or how do you do this? I think we have to cut it. Oh no, we don't have to cut it. Here. Now, wow, I'm very scared here that I break it. Look at this beauty. It's a white one. Special edition. Look at all the USBs here in the back. That's a lot. I need that. Very cool. So this is the motherboard. So the next step, we need the memory and the SSD card and the processor. Is this one?
Yeah.
This is the processor?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna do this. Wait. There we go. Yeah. I don't have a clue how it looks, you know. This is a small thing. AMD Ryzen 9. It's a 9950 X3D, I think.
Yeah.
That's called. And this you had to cut or oh no?
No,
You can open it.
I'll just leave it in there for now.
Oh, you leave it in it? Okay, I don't touch it. Okay, this is the Ryzen 9 9950. And I had so many discussions in my chat about this one. No, you have to do the 9800 or whatever, but I trust Arnout, you know? He's Dutch, I trust him. So I think this is a good one. You know, it has 16 cores. Yeah. 16 cores. So what I learned, what Arnout said, is that he takes 8 cores with the game.
With the X3D?
Yeah, X3D.
Yeah.
And if you stream, it will take more, or?
It can take more, and if you do, what do you call it, streaming, editing and everything, you can use the 16.
Okay. Are you inside or from the?
No.
Okay. Well, this is for you. So this is one. This I will unpack. This one. This is what I bought. Is the 1 terabyte storage. So this 1 terabyte. We're gonna install Windows on this one, and all the files from the games will be here. But the other files on the games will be on this one. It's a 2 terabyte, and this one was gifted by Arnout. Really generous. So yeah, thank you Arnout for that. Thank you Arnout. So he's also a little bit of a sponsor here on my computer. So that's nice. So with 2 terabyte storage SSD card. So that's good. I thought they were bigger, by the way. They're small. They're really small, like USB sticks. Now this is there, and then the last I will reveal that later too. It's the Fury. How it's called? The Fury Kingston DDR Fury Beast, 2 times 32 gigabytes, 6000. So this is gonna have more memory than me. So that's it. And now Arnout will build it.
Okay. No.
Now before Arnout can build the motherboard and stuff for the computer, he asked me to unbox this one, the Master Liquid 360 Core 2 white. Also white, because we are all going in white. Let's see how you do it. Just this, I think. So this is for the cooling of the PC. Oh no.
Processor.
For the processor. Only for the processor?
Yeah.
Such a big thing, only for the processor. How do you do this? Just like this? Yes. Okay. Now, not screw things up here. Yeah. Oh, it's white. It's white. Look, nice in the box. He also showed me that we have some other things with how do you call that? The case of the computer. That we can get a little bit more cooling in the case by attaching this one instead of the glass. So with little holes in it. So we're gonna do that too, but it's all later, you know, it's all later. We have all day, you know, Arnout is sleeping here. So here we go. Oh, this. Niet uit? Okay, well, I want to show. Look at this. This puppy here. Does it have lights? Because I love lights.
Yeah.
It has lights?
RGB
lights. I'm like it's like living in the candy shop here.
Kid in the candy shop.
The kid in the candy shop. Okay. This one?
Yeah.
You need that?
I need these.
Okay, you need this. That's all you need? Okay.
Yeah, sort of.
Okay. Well, I will come back later when he's almost finished building. Okay. So now we're just watching on his fingers here. So he's dismantling the case, and now it's time to put the motherboard in this nice puppy. And here's another nice puppy here. Yeah. Hey, schatje. Okay, next one. The Focus GX 1000 watts power supply. So unboxing this one. So we're getting somewhere with the PC. It takes a while, you know. I'm surprised how long it takes to build a PC. That's really a thing. Well, how does this look? Listen, strips. I think it's white. It should be white. It should be white. No. Oh, it's a big one. 1000 watts. Now I have now 600. Maybe that's my problem. That's why it broke. I asked too much for my PC, I think. Nice bag. Now here it comes. Look at this. The Seasonic Focus 1000 watts. Yeah, next one. Well, the most exciting part of the whole build, I think, is this one. The GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card. I had so many advice which one to buy, but I just decided to follow Arnout, and I just took this one. And I hope I made the right choice. So let's see how this puppy looks. I think it's very big. I hope it fits in the case.
Yeah, it will.
It will fit, yeah? Yeah, I trust you, you know, Arnout.
That's where you're wrong.
Well, we just went to see that's where I'm wrong, he said. Well, this is, is this with money? Or, oh no, there's no money.
Unfortunately, no.
Oh no, it's not for my son, no money. Okay, this is how to mantle it, I think. Now, this looks very nice. Look, very good. I don't know what it is all, but yeah, I'll put this in. I will show you the card. Wait. This is especially for Tony. Tony lost the reviews of the products. He's more excited than myself. It can't be possible, Tony. I'm so excited to do this. Look at this. Now, this is a graphics card. Look at this one. How big is it? Jeez, Arnout.
Yeah. Huh?
Nice.
It's a nice.
Nice. I'll leave it to Arnout to build it.
You can put it in.
No. You're on task. It's in. Yes, it's in. Whoa. What a beast. The fans are turning. Now, do we get something on screen here? Nothing yet? Or?
It's training probably. Or not.
Oh, look at this. How bright it is. How beautiful. It's white. Yeah. This is always an exciting moment, you know. The first time you turn on a PC that Arnout built. Not me, but Arnout.
Let's see. We hebben een rood lampje, dat is nooit goed.
Oh, red light. That's not good.
15.
Whoops.
Welcome to Yaki. Like the children love to raise in a simulated place. Welcome to Yaki. Just to lurk or have a chat. I'm so glad that we have met. Welcome to Yaki. Still a rookie out of turn. Join the journey and you learn. Slow is smooth as fast. It is time to have a blast.
So, a day later. Now finally. Here we go. Please work. Please work. Yeah, I see something. I see something. Look at this beauty. Oh, look at the lights. What a beauty. For the first time, it's alive. And thanks to this man. Arnout. Now, there comes window for the first time. There it is. There. Wow, nice. Jackie's happy. Jackie's very happy.